Meaning of expressive.
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 Expressive. Expressive means having the ability to convey thoughts and emotions effectively through language, art, music, or other forms of communication. An expressive person is able to express themselves clearly and effectively, conveying their emotions and thoughts in a way that is easily understood by others. This can lead to effective communication, deeper connections with others, and a greater sense of personal fulfillment. Whether it's through writing, speaking, playing music, or creating art, being expressive allows us to share our innermost thoughts and feelings with the world around us.